Hey guys, welcome back to the CryptoJobs YouTube channel. I'm your host, and today we're doing a crucial update on Qtum. The bullish structure is still looking intact here, and the price is showing incredible resilience above the support we mentioned earlier. From a technical perspective, we've had a clean 50% Fib HTF retest, and what looks like a potential 170-day ascending triangle break and retest is playing out perfectly on the daily chart. An ascending triangle is a classic bullish continuation pattern, and this is exactly what we want to see. I'm expecting some major fireworks soon if the price can keep consolidating above $0.2450. Now before you go, I want to talk about how you can take your trading to the next level with me. I'm running a copy trading challenge on BingX right now, where I'm working to turn a $1,000 account into $10,000. You can follow along with every trade. The link to my profile is in the description below. And of course, don't forget to join my communities. We've got the free Telegram channel for all my quick updates and market insights, and my free VIP group for even more setups, and a closer look at my trading strategy. The links for both are right in the description. Peace out.